There are a smorgasbord of issues that may plague your JBL Charge 3, from Bluetooth connectivity issues where your JBL Charge 3 doesn't pair with your computer. The Bluetooth connection sound is heard when your speaker connects to the computer or mobile phone, but no audible sound is heard from the speaker. Sometimes the speaker fails to hold a charge or charge a level up. And sometimes you may experience connectivity issues between the Bluetooth file exchange of your mobile phone or computer and the speaker. All of these symptoms are non-value added and may necessitate a firmware update or a factory reset. We're not saying that this is a one-size-fits-all, but that the solutions being proffered here could help resolve or troubleshoot the error. For how to perform a factory reset, click on the link in the description. And for how to perform a firmware update, make sure that your JBL Charge 3 speaker is powered on. Okay, connect the cable to the mains and press on the Bluetooth button. Okay, so that it pairs with your mobile device's Bluetooth button, which is switched on as well. Download and open the JBL Portable app from the App Store. And when you open it, it begins to search for the Bluetooth of the JBL Charge 3. It then subsequently prompts you with a software update if so required. Then click on the software update download link, which should begin the download process. Click update, install, and terms and conditions. Then the firmware or software update should begin to download or transfer onto the device. The JBL Charge 3's firmware software update begins to transfer and download onto the device, and hopefully when it gets to about 100%, the software should be successfully updated and should help resolve a lot of the compatibility and connectivity issues experienced on the JBL Charge 3 device. As at the latter stage, you would have had the latest updated software version required, for the full functionality of your JBL Charge 3 device. So we're pretty much just plodding along, through the transfer process up until, when the software download or update gets to about 100%. So from time to time, make sure that you've got the latest software version, for your JBL speaker, and also ensure that your computer or mobile phone has got the latest updated software version as well. Okay, and if that doesn't work, then by all means perform a factory reset. And that's about it really with respect to updating, the firmware software on your JBL Charge 3. If you found the information useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Helps the channel grow. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening, and hopefully catch up with you later. Goodbye.